The way wars are fought is changing faster than ever before. Gone are the days when battlefields echoed with gunfire, roaring tanks, and explosive missiles. Today we stand on the edge of a new era. An era where wars may be fought not with bullets and bombs, but with beams of invisible light. At the center of this transformation is Israel's newly developed laser weapon system called Iron Beam, a revolutionary defense technology that literally burns enemy threats out of the sky using high-energy laser beams with no explosions, no noise, and no visible trace, just pure precision and speed. Iron Beam isn't science fiction anymore, it's real, tested, and already being integrated into Israel's defense arsenal. It can detect and destroy incoming threats such as rockets, drones, mortars, and even short-range missiles within seconds. The most astonishing part? It does all this at the speed of light, neutralizing threats silently and efficiently before they even come close. Unlike traditional missile defense systems that launch expensive interceptor rockets to destroy enemy missiles, Iron Beam uses highly focused laser beams that cost just a few dollars per shot, making it not only powerful, but also incredibly cost-effective. The system has a range of approximately 7 kilometers, over 4 miles, and its laser is so intense that it can melt through the metal body of an incoming missile mid-air. It's powered by advanced AI-based targeting systems that require minimal human intervention. Once activated, Iron Beam can engage multiple threats simultaneously, making it ideal for urban defense scenarios where response time must be instant. This isn't just about one country's defense, it's a signal to the world. The battlefield of the future will be fought with brains, not brawn. As Iron Beam becomes operational, it challenges other superpowers to step up. The US, China, Russia, and India are also developing directed energy weapons, DEWs, like high-powered lasers, microwave weapons, and railguns. But Israel is currently the first to deploy a fully functional system in real-world conditions. Iron Beam also marks a turning point in military history. For decades, nations have relied on heavy explosives and ballistic missiles to secure their borders. But now, light itself has become a weapon. Silent, invisible, and nearly impossible to detect, laser weapons like Iron Beam open the door to a new class of warfare, one where machines powered by AI can defend entire cities without firing a single traditional shot. The implications are massive. This technology could completely reshape global power dynamics, defense spending, and even international politics. Countries that master energy weapons will have the upper hand not just in war, but in deterrence, strategy, and geopolitical influence. And as wars become faster, more digital, and more automated, the line between science fiction and reality will continue to blur. Iron Beam isn't just a weapon, it's a warning to the world that the future of combat is here. And it travels at the speed of light.